Imagine spending hours writing content, planning videos, only to get stuck at one point. Editing. You've heard about Pictory AI, right? But before you click that subscribe button or waste hours uploading your content there, you need to hear this. Because what I'm about to show you might completely change the way you look at AI video tools. This isn't your typical tutorial. This is what no one is telling you about Pictory AI in 2025. Let's start from zero. Pictory AI is marketed as a video creation tool that turns your script, blog post, or even just a web page into a full video in minutes. No editing skills, no complicated software, just text in, video out. The idea is to remove all the friction in video creation for bloggers, marketers, educators, even freelancers. This tool promises a shortcut to powerful video content. But here's a catch. When something claims to do so much with so little input, shouldn't we ask how much control we're really giving up? I tested it with a blog post, just pasted the link, and boom. In under a minute, it converted it into a draft video with stock visuals, transitions, captions, and even an AI voiceover. For a moment, I thought, this is it. This is what content creators have been waiting for. Zero editing, zero technical work. It's a plug-and-play dream, but reality kicked in quickly. The visuals it picked, sometimes great. Other times they looked random. The transitions, often robotic. The captions, decent, but lacking rhythm. It gets things mostly right, but AI still doesn't fully understand your emotion, your pacing, your storytelling, and that's where the first cracks begin to show. Let's talk voiceovers. Pictory offers multiple AI voices, male, female, different accents, and even access to premium 11 Labs voices in higher plans. I tried them all. Some voices, surprisingly smooth. They can carry a script with decent clarity, but others, they sound like your fridge trying to read Shakespeare. And in emotional videos or content where tone matters, those AI voices, they can completely flatten the message. It's like watching a powerful movie, dubbed by a GPS navigation system. You feel the disconnect. Editing experience, easy but limited. Now here's the sweet and sour part, the editing interface. Yes, you don't have to drag clips on a timeline. Everything is scene-based. Select text, change visuals, boom. It's built for non-editors. That's brilliant for beginners. But here's the suspense. What if your scene doesn't match the visuals Pictory picks? Or if your story needs dramatic pauses, pacing, music transitions? You're stuck. There's no deep control, just light changes. It's like driving a Tesla, but on autopilot, with no steering wheel. Great if the road is straight, dangerous if it isn't. Okay, let's give credit where it's due. Some features, genuinely impressive. Automatic captions, accurate and stylish. Resize videos for YouTube, TikTok, Insta, instant. Highlights and short clip extraction, powerful. You can even extract multiple short videos from one long clip. Great for social content. If you run a podcast, a blog, or want short content fast, this can be a goldmine. But wait till you see what happens when you upload a long video. The cracks begin. I tried uploading a 45-minute webinar. The processing broke. Multiple tries, stuck rendering. Support? Took 2 days to respond. And when I tried again, the video came out fragmented. Some clips were out of sync. Some captions disappeared. It makes you wonder, is this tool built for scale or just for marketing pages? Because if your content is your business, these small flaws become deal breakers. Now let's answer the most important question. Who should use Pictory? You write blog posts and want videos? Yes. You script short explainer videos? Yes. You need 100 TikToks from one webinar? Yes. You're making a Netflix documentary? Rush, run. It's not for high-end cinematic editing. It's not for emotional storytelling niche yet. It's a time saver, not a film editor. And once you know that, you can make it your ally. It's perfect for marketers, influencers, agencies, but not for filmmakers. Price starts at $19 per month. But for real utility, especially premium voices and features, you'll need at least the $39 a month plan. Compare that with hiring an editor or voice artist. You're saving hundreds, but only if you use it consistently. If you upload content regularly, this can easily pay off in hours saved. But if you're inconsistent or expect magic, you'll be disappointed. Pictory works best as a content accelerator, not a full replacement for creative minds. So here's my honest take. Pictory is not perfect, but in a world where attention spans are shrinking and content is king, it gives you speed. And speed in 2025 is power. But remember, speed without soul? That's where most creators go wrong. Use Pictory, but don't depend on it. The heart of your content is still you. No AI tool can replace human insight. Use them to amplify your voice, not replace it. If you're still confused whether this tool is right for you, try the free version, test it, break it, and then decide. Or, if you want me to compare it with tools like InVideo, Veed, or even Runway ML, comment below. I'll break them all down. Because in this AI content war, your best weapon is knowing the truth before using the tool. See you in the next one.